So, good day everyone. We are the group behind the development of the Payling Secure application. My name is Patrick P. Villasista. I am the programmer. Next.
I am Eliza Laplana de la Paz and I am the designer.
And I am Angeline May Flores, our document.
Uh, Together with a collaboration to create a secure, simply, and efficient payment application called by Payling Secure, and we hope enjoy our presentation. So this is the registration and onboarding, the part of our application called by the link Paylink Secure. The goal of these features is to make account creation a simple, secure, and user-friendly. So, dito may dalawang options to user login kung may existing account na sila, and create account para sa mga bagong user. Kapag pinili na yung user create account, mapupunta sila sa registration form. So, dito nila ilalagay yung important personal information tulad ng first name, middle name, last name, and age, birthday, gender, and address, email, at password. Kapag may password na, visibility na ang icon din kapag para mas madaling ma-check ang user kung tama yung password na nilagay nila. Before, kapag nag-register na, kailangan din i-agree ang user and terms and condition and privacy policy and for secure and data protection. The next part naman po ng application is the phone number verification process. This features adds another layer of the security to make sure na valid ang active ang contact number ng user. Sa first screen, kailangan mo muna i-enter ng user kanilang phone number. After entering the number, pipindutin nila ang send OTP button. Once send na ang OTP one time, makikita na natin ang captured ng ID sections. Dito, pipili muna ang user kung ano ang type of valid ID ang gagamitin, like national ID, passport, or driving license, or other government ID. After selecting ID type, kailangan natin i-upload or i-capture ang front side and back side ng kanilang ID. May dalawang options tayo. Dito, pwede silang gumamit ng camera for real-time capture or gallery kung meron tayong save photo. Importante na lang malinaw ang kuha ng ID para maayos ang verification process ng system. So, kapag complete ang ID, upload ng process na naman to ang user face verification. Dito kung selfie ng using the camera para ma-confirm ang may hawak ng ID ay siya ay tunay na account owner.
Good day everyone. I am Eliza Laplana de la Paz, the designer. So, sa first screen, makikita natin ang home dashboard of Paylink Secure. Dito makikita ng user ang available balance, quick access buttons like send, cash in, and receive. Pati na rin ang recent transaction for easier monitoring. The dashboard is designed to be simple and user-friendly so user can easily manage their transaction and account activities. Next is the map features. This allows users to locate nearby cash-in location using an interactive map. Mas convenient ito for user because they can quickly find the nearest partner establishment for cash-in and services. Lastly, makikita natin ang list of cash-in partner location. Include here ang establishment like 7-Eleven, SM Supermarket, Robinson Supermarket, BDO, ATM, GCash Center, and Cebuana M. Jewelry. This feature helps user identify trusted and accessible location where they can add funds to their account safely and conveniently. From the dashboard, users can easily access the send money function. This allows them to transfer funds quickly and surely to another PayLink user. To send money, the user only needs to enter the recipient's PayLink ID and the amount they want to send. After filling in the details, the user will click the Send Now button. The system will then process the transaction surely in the real time. Once the transfer is successfully, a confirmation message will appear showing that the payment has been sent successfully. These features provide users with a fast, easy, and secure digital money transfer experience.
So I am Anslin May Florence for that documenter. On the first screen, user can see their personal receipt, QR code, and PayLink ID. This allows other user to send payment quickly by simply by scanning the QR code or using the PayLink ID. There is also an option to request a specific amount, making transaction more convenient and organized. On the second screen, the app provides a share features where user can directly send their QR code or payment link to the contacts. These make requesting payment easier and especially for friends, classmates, or customers. The third screen shows the chat interface. User can communicate directly within the app while sending payment requests or transaction details. This feature improves interaction and makes digital transaction more user-friendly and secure. This screen is the update profile page of ours application. Here, user can edit their personal information such as a first name, middle name, last name, age, date of birth, and gender, and home address. This screen shows the manage account features, especially the change password section. User can record to enter their current password, use new password, and confirm the new password.